Did you get a real ride on this yet, or
I did.
this is going to be a shakedown, or what?
Look,
Oh.
I did 90 minutes last week.
Oh, no, so you're ready to go. Nothing fell off?
No, nothing fell off. Started to get used to it. The riding position's obviously very different.
Oh, you'll get
Gearing's very different.
By the end of the day, you'll be passing everybody. Valentino's on notice. Yeah, it looks good. Now, what did you have to do to this when you got it? I remember you had the exhaust issue.
Yeah, so full service, because all the valves, all the belts, all the fluids needed.
Did it yourself?
Yep.
Okay, good.
I had to completely replace the swing arm because it had a big hole in it.
Really?
Yeah.
From what? Was it in an accident?
Yeah, this was crashed. So it's got Woodcraft rear sets. That got bent inwards and it dug into and it put a hole like that big into it.
Wow.
So I replaced all of that. New train, new sprockets, new starter motor, new starter clutch.
Looks nice. How many miles are? Oh, you can't see it. Electronic.
34,000.
34?
Yeah.
That's a brand new bike.
It's a 2010.
None of my bikes have less than 40,000. Yeah, that looks nice.
Yeah.
Is it comfortable for you?
Ish.
I mean, you're taller than I am, so.
It's all right.
I rode many of Luciano's Ducatis, and my body is not made for Ducatis.
No.
My body is made for something else, banana peels or something. I don't know.
It's tight.
It's clean as a whistle, boy.
It's not. If you look closely, it's not.
Well, who looks closely?
The paint job on this was terrible.
This is a factory paint job?
No, the guy before me got it resprayed, so this is, both the middle pieces are replacements. So he got this sprayed.
Okay.
And you can see runs in it. There's
wow.
drips.
I can't see it here. We're in a bright sunlight.
Yeah.
You put it in my garage on fluorescent light, you'll be picking it apart.
Oh yeah, yeah.
No, it really looks clean.
But yeah, I went over it.
Tell Guy it's a brand new bike when he gets it. He's got my green bike. Oh, I see you got the adjustable, the rear sets on there? Nice, nice. Yeah, my body is just not made for this. It's even when I was a little younger, the bikes always seemed too long. I felt like I was like in bed or something.
Really?
You know?
You squeezed into a ball.
Yeah, no, but big tall guys seem to love them. Yeah. And Hayabusas too. You ride a Hayabusa, the handlebars are in the next parking lot.
Yeah.
But hey, you can't do much about it. My decrepit body, I'm kind of stuck with it for, well, another couple of years anyway. Yeah, it looks clean. Looks nice.
Yeah, the only thing I discovered is it's the first time I've worn the leather pants in a while. You slide around on this seat like.
Now, you know it's the opposite. My leather pants stick like glue.
Really?
And the summer riding gear, when I've got to hold on. All week I was riding with the summer gear. I was sliding around like there was Crisco on the seat. But I don't know, and I was going to glue a piece of like fake leather or something there. This should be, you sure you didn't get wax on this or something?
I have not cleaned it. I mean, I got it straight from the...
That ain't much of a seat. I hope there's no bumps really. I've seen aftermarket seats that have the stitching in them and everything.
Yeah,
oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Look really
nice. I think that's the OEM one.
Yeah, that's...
I replaced the back seat with a little cover. I took the footrests off because...
Well, congratulations. That is a beauty. I'm impressed. I like the thing with this being black. Luciano's, I don't think, was black.
No, this is custom.
This is a custom thing? Yeah, that does look nice.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Really cool.
Yeah, it goes nicely with the plastic.
Yeah. No, I've never seen one with that exact paint job. And the guy had it. He did it himself, or he paid somebody to do it?
He paid someone, but
okay.
I get the feeling they did it while it was on the bike.
Ah.
Yeah. There's a lot of drips.
No, that's the cheap trolley way. I actually had a guy that contacted me and he said, "You mean you have to take the wheels off the bike to paint them?" And I was just thinking, I hope you're not in your kitchen when you spray this thing. Nice wheels too.
Yeah, they're not.
Now, of course, it's subjective, but I always thought Luciano has two of these, so I always thought this styling was really, really nice. This was really, I like it better myself than the one that goes up in the back like the fishtail. Yeah. And with the wings and everything. This is kind of like a GS 1100 styling. Mm-hmm. I think that's going to be classic for a long time to come. Oh, the boys are going to be hungry this morning. I can see it now. Fresh muffins Thank you, Karen.
Cinnamon muffins.
Cinnamon muffins. Ooh.
Cinnamon crumb muffins.
Cinnamon crumb muffins. If you've never had one of these, what do they call them? Cinnamon muffins.
No.
Oh my God, the guys are gonna love them this morning. Now this is a truly noisy
like
bike.
a motorcycle
Noisy
down the street
Oh,
here.
truly noisy. Oh, the
Am I
neighbors
right,
are gonna
Bill?
love you this morning.
right.
Oh my God. So I think this is going to
should have
be.
turned it off on Route
17 and coasted in. Keith's first shakedown ride on the Ducati. Did you get on it a few times?
No, not yet, not yet.
You got it. And he's going to let you ride it today too. He wants you to show him how to scuff in that back tire right to the edge.
What year is this?
2010.
Oh, wait.
Not nice? Take
Looks
your
like
clothes.
something. Looks like something Vlad would show up with.
Yeah, yeah. Vlad's in bed today. He's sleeping. And the other Vlad's out selling one of those mansions that he sells.
Yeah, I would say don't look too close.
Wow.
Paint job.
Looks nice, right?
Hell yeah.
Man, I'll take it. Hey, you never know when he's just gonna, you know, like somebody will kidnap him or something, and we'll have to ride his bike home.
He must be in a better mafia than Vlad is.
Hey, how are you?
2500.
Get out of here.
It didn't run when I got it.
Well, he did a lot of work on it. He did. The swing arm was bad. Swing arm had a hole in it. I know a guy that welds though. He looks a lot like you. We could have welded a tin can in there. That would have been no problem.
Wow, that's really nice.
That is sweet, isn't it?
Really nice, yeah.
Vlad is good. You know who's going to be jealous? Vlad. Vlad's going to go, how much did you pay for that?
I paid an extra 500 to get the cans and the chip, the ECU. They're in great condition because I was talking to Wendy.
Yeah, I was going to fix them.
I saw some cheap ones that were 350, but they had a whole bunch of like scuffs and cracks in it.
Yeah.
And they didn't come with the ECU. And then this guy was selling his for 650 and offered him 5, and he delivered them as well.
But how crappy would it be with all the work you did on this and now to have crappy exhaust?
Yeah, to have beaten
With bird poops on them or something.
Is all the plastic new or?
The middle bits are new. The top and the bottom are original.
I'll tell you what. I mean, doesn't look like a 2010.
I think it looks great. I could put it right in my garage and take the FC
It
off.
doesn't look like a 16-year-old bike. I mean,
No, it looks clean.
wow.
He's a good mechanic, no doubt. When we need somebody to do some mechanical work, we'll keep. I know
He gets
where
my
you live.
overflow work.
Yeah, you do the towing, he can do the valve jobs.
It took me a weekend, a whole weekend, and I mean like hours of work to get the pin out of the original swing arm. It
Oh.
was jammed in there, jammed and just.
How did you get it out? What was the trick?
I
You had to buy a puller?
hit it with a hammer until a couple of inches came out the other end, and then I took a saw to it, and I cut the end off that, and then I knocked it back through the other way.
Oh, smart.
And then I bought a new pin that was straight. And
Man, I like having smart friends. If my swing arm doesn't come out, I'll get over to your house right away.
that was a lot of work. And
I
then I
know.
bought a swing arm that was actually for the 848 Street Fighter, not knowing that it doesn't fit because it doesn't clear the exhaust. So I took that one,
Oh.
and I bought another one. But I did meet, do you know there was a guy in Jersey City that used to have a Ducati place? He had a shop in Jersey City and he only did Ducatis. I've seen him on Facebook. Yeah, he closed his shop. He lives in Richfield.
Oh, okay.
And he came over because he bought the swing arm off me last weekend. So I got rid of that, got my money back on that one. But he was like, if you ever need parts, he's like, I've got tons of them. So I'm like,
That's a good contact, yeah.
yeah, because he builds all sorts. He was showing me his collection that he's had and sold, and so he just.
It does look nice. I got to admit, that's a beautiful
It
bike.
doesn't look like. That is.
So let's vote on the muffins. Are they good? How do you rate this? A 10 on a scale of 1 to 10, it's a 12, huh?
Yeah.
When you go outside,
I'm limited on fingers, but yeah.
Karen, thank you very much. Wow, these are good. Woo! Good way to start the day. How many runs did he make at the?
He actually did.
Let me see if I can record that on the.
He did 2
He's got the
qualifying
drag
runs
racing
and
day
then
here.
2 actual races, though. So let me see.
That may record good. See, play it. Let's see. Now where's Jim?
This
With
is
the orange
Ron.
shirt?
He's just
That's Ron?
done his burnout. And here comes Jim, making sure he turns his little computer on.
Jim, you're a movie star. Oh, here we go. Just hold it steady. I want to see if we can hear that.
see it. I don't have my glasses. Can you see what it said? They were only doing, for some reason, for the bikes and
They need to eat more muffins.
the bikes.
So we're gonna take your Ducati down there next week and they run it. You have a good clutch in there, right?
Don't know.
So we had a little accident on the way up here.
And then I hit the grass, and it was just boom, boom, boom.
Guy was practicing sliding on the ground.
I am the best slider.
All right, so the muffler, I have a spare muffler. Actually, you can drive the bike. It's not a problem. We've got a little body work. And body work is fun in the winter. And you can ride the bike. Nothing bad happened. I think you're pretty lucky. And main thing, you didn't break my mirror.
No.
Look, oh my God, we're gonna have to bondo the mirror. You know, I do have a whole set of body work for this too. Maybe we should make a red one. A Kawasaki red one? I don't know. What about this? You having fun riding this today?
Yeah, it hurts quite a lot. My hips are killing me.
Yeah, you gotta get used
Welcome to Ducativille.
to that position, yeah.
When you go for hip surgery.
Oh my God, yeah.
It really hurts on one side.
Oh yeah.
You know what you never want to do is go on a long ride and it hurts on the way up there. Because you know you got to come back. Listen, you didn't buy the bike. You bought the bike so you could pass us in the corners. How's that working out? You made him crash.
All I hear is this. Above this, I can still hear this.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? It's a
nice
deep
camera.
throat. Yeah, it's a deep throat. Boy, that is a beautiful bike. That is one of the nicest ones. And I've seen a lot like Najat will fall in love with this. Wow. You know, Najat's got 3 of them.
Yeah. And
But none like this.
That black, all this came with the fairings?
Yeah. Yeah, the guy got it done. So that's a custom paint. You can't buy them like that. But yeah, this the bodywork was the only thing.
And what did you tell me the paint was bad on this? Where is there a problem with the paint? Well, you certainly, I can't find it.
You're lucky it fit good.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes they're not perfect.
Nope. Well, for 30 bucks.
It's for rubber washers. I'll tell you, you're a lucky guy. You're a lucky guy, baby.
Yeah, these are what we need on the yellow bike.
Oh, we'll get some. Well, let me see what they got. The little.
Because.
Oh, they got a rubber washer on them. Yeah,
As I
yeah.
took the fairings off, as you tighten it, the paint looks like it's starting to go. So you don't want to tighten it too much. You don't want to leave it loose. Yep. So you got to get those little rubber.
I bought a whole set of fasteners that came with. So all the fasteners are new.
Did you use them all up?
I did, yeah.
That's like, boy, you're not getting a muffin next week unless I get a bag of those fasteners. What friends we are. Now that is really nice.
Every bike I've ever bought used comes with about half the bolts it should do. Like you start taking things apart where there should be 4 bolts.
Of course, all beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but I think that is really, this is the one, the styling of it. I really like this version. I just like this.
Well, that is the easiest part, excuse me.
Beautiful.
Sorry.
200 or 250?
250.
250? Wow.
I got 4 of them, all under 1969.
Wow. I actually know a guy that's got one in parts and he's always asking me to restore it for him.
Really?
I don't have any
There's
ambition.
the Triumph.
It's a
And
beauty.
you know that I don't snap
Nice.
Do you still ride them or are they just...
Oh yeah, no.
So we just really had a special day. This was a day to remember in every way. Meeting that fella Jim, he's a classic restorer of bikes and cars. Look forward to seeing his shop at some future time. We had a great day, and we have a new paint job in mind for the 750 already. Now, if you're new to our channel, we have a very, very eclectic channel. One of the new features we have now is some of the videos are grouped into groups that you can access all the videos for one category in one mouse click. And it should be very convenient and very handy. Just check out the feature on the main screen playlist. And thanks to everybody for supporting the channel. We appreciate your support, and it makes this channel possible with all the things we do, the painting, the wheels, the polishing. And please take a second or two and hit the like button. And thanks everyone for watching.